Mapo tofu is a renowned Sichuan dish that originated in China about 150 years ago. It was created by a woman surnamed Chen, who was nicknamed Mapo because of the pockmarks on her face. In Chinese, Mapo refers to a woman with pockmarks. Her husband was a doctor who used tofu as a medium to administer medicine to the impoverished. One day, he prescribed a beggar with a skin disease a mixture of chili and Sichuan peppercorns, and had the beggar consume it mixed with tofu and minced meat. The beggar not only recovered but also found the dish delicious, thus spreading its popularity. The dish was later named after Chen Mapo. Preparation process. First, select tender water tofu that is firm but not crumbly, and boil it in water to remove any beany taste. Next, heat a generous amount of oil in a pan and stir-fry the doubanjiang and duchi until fragrant. Then, add the minced meat and continue stir-frying. And gently add the tofu pieces. Pour in an appropriate amount of water or broth, bring it to a boil. Simmer on low heat to allow the tofu to absorb the flavors. Lastly, thicken the sauce with a slurry made from wet starch to achieve the desired consistency. Before serving, sprinkle Sichuan pepper powder to enhance the numbing sensation. Its unforgettable combination of numbing, spicy, fresh, fragrant, hot, and tender flavors makes it a dish worth trying.